Hey everyone, today we have a logic puzzle, so let's begin. A father is 36 years old and his son is 6. In how many years will the father be exactly 3 times as old as his son? So when I first did this, I actually just used guessing and checking. And I figured, right, if 0 years have passed, then 6 times 3 is 18. We're already much younger than the father, right? If 1 year has passed, 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 times 3 is 21. We're still already much younger than the father's age. Which would mean at least 6 years would have to pass, right? Because 6 plus 6 is 12. 12 times 3 is 36, which is the same age as the father's, but the father will now be 42 after 6 years. So that led me, okay, the next lowest choice would have to be 7 years. So after 7 years, the father would be 36 plus 7, or 43 years old, and the son would be 6 plus 7, in parentheses, and then times 3. 6 plus 7 is 13. 13 times 3 is 39. So the son would be 39. The father would be 43 after 6 years. And the reason I continued using guessing and checking is because these numbers were relatively close. I figured I could get it in a few more tries. And so after 8 years, right, 36 plus 8, the father would be 44. And the son would be 6 plus 8 times 3, which is 42. So already pretty close, right? And then after 9 years, 36 plus 9, the father would be 45, and the son would be 6 plus 9 times 3, which is 45, giving us our answer of 9 years later. Now, guess and check is not always the best solution. You can do it algebraically. As I said, because after my first guess, the numbers were already pretty close, I continued with it. If they were not, maybe I would have tried algebraically. So here's an algebraic solution. Let's say x is equal to the number of years that have passed, so number of years. Well, we want to know in how many years will the father be exactly 3 times as old as his son. So if the father is currently 36, 36 plus x, number of years, is going to be equal to 3 times the age of the son, which is currently 6, plus the same number of years that have passed. So 3 times 6 plus x. Now, using the distributive property, right, we can rewrite this as 36 plus x is equal to 3 times 6, which is 18, plus 3x. Now, let's see. I'm going to bring the x to this side so I don't get a negative x, and then I'll bring the 18 to this side simultaneously. This way, these x's cancel, these 18's cancel. 36 minus 18 is 18. 3x minus x is 2x, so 18 is equal to 2x. And then last but not least, we just divide by 2. 18 divided by 2 is 9. 9 is equal to x, right? 2x divided by 2 is x. And so we still get an answer of 9 years.